Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on Rayleigh's power method. Considering the given set of matrix and with respect to initial value, we are going to represent the eigenvalues. Corresponding to that eigenvalues, we are going to represent the eigenvectors. How to represent? Let us learn step by step. First, represent the given that is A equal to 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3, and initial value we are going to represent it as x to the power of 0, and the given 1 1 1, that is transpose 1 1 and 1. What does this transpose represent? Row changes to column, column changes to row. Now, how to find the first approximation? That is A into x to the power of 0. What is A? 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. Done. Into 1, 1, 1. Which will be equal to, now use the calculator and represent the solution. How I am going to show you. First we are supposed to represent 3 cross 3 matrix and 3 cross 1 order matrix. Take your calculator, press mode setup, okay, press 6, press 1, order first one is 3 cross 3. Give the elements 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Got the point? Cross verify once. 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Okay, press AC. Again press shift 4. Now I need to store mat A. Press 2 data. Mat A will be stored in 1 and I need to give mat B, so represent 2. And the second matrix is 3 cross 1, that is 3. Give the elements 1 equals 1 equals 1 equals. Press AC. Shift 4, mat A is in 3 and press again shift 4, mat A is in 4. See, mat A into mat B. See, 6, 0, 4. Okay. Consider in the same way itself. That is, you get 6, 0, 4, and in this matrix which is the highest value, that is 6 is the highest value. This will be our eigenvalue. How to represent the eigenvectors? It is easy. Whatever you have got the eigenvalues, just see, whatever you have got 6, okay, whatever you have got 6, 0, 4, just divide the largest eigenvalue, that is 6. Matrix or whatever you have got, matrix answer divided by 6, or else the largest eigenvalue equals, you get 1 0 0.666, you get 1 0 0.66. Consider only 2 decimal value, it is enough. This we call it as lambda 1 and this we call it as corresponding eigenvector. Now let us find the next eigen approximation value. Okay, repeat the same method. Okay, that is A x to the power of 1, which is equal to 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 into what is x1? X1 is this, that is 1 0 0.66. Consider only 2 decimal value, that much is enough. Okay. Now see, mat A is same, just I need to change mat B. How? I am going to show you. Okay, press AC, don't press anything, take your calculator. Okay, after taking calculator, press shift 4. Mat A will be stored in 3, but I need to change mat B. Press 2. Mat A will be same, just I need to change mat B. Press 2. Now change the values. 1 equals 0 equals 0.66 equals. Press AC, shift 4, 3, shift 4, 4. Mat A into mat B. You get equals, you get 7.32 minus 2.66, 3.98. Which is the largest? 7.32. Just divide 7.32, you get the eigenvectors. You get 7.32 minus 2.66, 3.98. Which is the largest eigenvalue? 7.32 is the largest eigenvalue. Just divide 7.32. You get 1 minus 0.36 and 0.54. Done? Yes. Now this will be our lambda 2 and eigenvalue and eigenvector. Now let us go with the next approximation, that is a into x to the power of 2, which will be equal to, what is the value of a? 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 and 3 into, what is x to the power of 2? That is 1 minus 0.36 and 0.54. Now similarly repeat, don't change anything, shift 4 to data 2, just change the elements. 1 equals minus 0.36 equals 0.54 equals. Press AC, shift 4 3, shift 4 4, mat A into mat B, you get 7.8 minus 3.62 and 3.98. Then which is the largest eigenvalue? 7.8 is the largest. Okay, just divide whatever you have got the matrix, just divide the largest eigenvalue, that is 7.8. You get minus 0.46 minus 0.46. Next you have 0.51. This will be the eigenvalue, that is lambda to the power of 3 and x to the power of 3. Now the next approximation is a x to the power of 3, which is equal to 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 into, we have 1 minus 0.46, 0.51. Just change the values, that is press AC, shift 4 to mat B to change the values. 1 equals minus 0.46 equals 0.51, press equals. Done. Now press AC, shift 4 3, shift 4 4, that is mat A into mat B, press equals. You get 7.94 minus 3.89, 3.99. Which is the largest eigenvalue? You have 7.94. Okay, just divide 7.94, just divide 7.94. You get 1 minus 0.48, 0.50. See, there is a lots of difference between eigenvalue 7.8 and the third approximation and fourth approximation. So let us go with the next condition. This will be the eigenvalue and this will be the eigenvector. Let us go with the next approximation, that is a into x to the power of 4, which is equal to 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 into 1 minus 0.48. See, x to the power of minus 0.48 and 0.50, which is equal to, what will be the matrix? Press AC. Do repeat it again. Okay, I have taught you in the first itself. 1 equals minus 0.48 equals 0.50. Done. AC, shift 4 3, shift 4 4. You get 7.96 minus 3.94, 3.98. 7.96 will be the highest eigenvalue. Okay, divide 7.96. You get 1 minus 0.49 and 0.5. 5 or 50. This will be your lambda to the power of 5 and x to the power of 5. If I go with respect to another approximation, I will get the exact value. Let us find a x to the power of 5. The last approximation you can conclude directly. 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 into 1 minus 0.49 0.50, which will be equal to, press AC, shift 4 to matter 1 equals minus 0.49 equals 0.50. Press AC, shift 4 3, shift 4 4. You get 7.98 and minus 3.97 3.99, which is the highest eigenvalue. 7.98 is the highest eigenvalue divided by 7.98. You get 1 minus 0.49 and 0.50 or 0.5, which is equal to lambda to the power of 6 and lambda x to the power of 6. If you check the previous approximation value, see, that is lambda to the power of 5 and x to the power of 5 and lambda to the power of 6 and x to the power of 6. The eigenvalues is 7.96 and 7.98. Only the last decimal value are changed with respect to 0.08. See, if you go on from the first, there is a lots of difference in eigenvalue. Here we have got 6. Next we have got 7.32, next we have got 7.8, next we have got 7.94 and next we have got 7.96. If you cross verify this, only the last decimal values are changed with respect to 0.01. It doesn't make any sense and you can directly conclude till here. To verification, if you go with respect to next approximation, this and this will be same and this, whatever you got, eigenvalues will also be same and eigenvector will also be same. And therefore you can conclude that thus the largest eigenvalue is 7.98 and the corresponding eigenvector is 1 minus 0.49 and 0.50. See, always remember, for the conclusion there will be a 1 marks condition. Okay, done? Don't miss the conclusion part so that you get 1 marks. Done? See, let us take a recap. Represent the matrix and initial value, multiply these two. Okay, take the largest eigenvalue and divide the whatever you have got the matrix, you get eigenvalue and eigenvector. Similarly, repeat for the next approximation, you get 7.32, corresponding to that you get 1 minus 0.36 and 0.54. Repeat the same condition, you get lambda cube and x to the power of 3. And next, if you repeat considering the our previous eigenvector for with respect to a, you get lambda to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4. If you repeat the last two approximation, that is a into x to the power of 4 and a into x to the power of 5, you get similar, not exact, but similar approximate eigenvalue, that is 7.96 and 7.98. Corresponding to that, you get eigenvectors. Since the both are same eigenvectors, that is 1, 1, minus 0.49, minus 0.49, 0.50 and 0.50. If you conclude, you get 1 marks. If you write this one of the easiest question which will be asked each and every time in the VTU main examination. I hope or I think that you have understood each and every step of the Rayleigh Power Method, how to simplify. If you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.